Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Spotify from opening at startup on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So on Windows 10, you're just going to right click on a blank area of your taskbar and you're going to select Task Manager. On Windows 11, you're going to right click on the Start button and you're going to select Task Manager from there. Select the Startup tab, and where it says Spotify, go ahead and select it, and then select the Disable button in the bottom right corner. And this will disable it from starting up every time your computer starts up. Not that we are permanently disabling it. You'll still be able to open it up normally through Windows, but it just won't start up every time your computer starts up. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.